How you guys doing? We finally have the sodium hybrid battery for Toyota from our good friend Jack from NexPower. It's time to open it up. I already removed all this tiny little screw. Let me just finish to open up here and take a little leverage with this so I can take out the glue from the sides. Now I'm gonna open it up. Let's see. Now, what are the main characteristics of this new sodium battery? Is basically, let's explore, okay? Model DP002 with a rated capacity of 7 amp hours and 108.5 watt hours, telling us that the energy density of this one is tiny little less than the lithium iron phosphate, and it's not in 16.4, this one is 15.5. So it looks like the energy density of the cells is a little less. Now, once I open it, I can realize one of the things is that I really like is that this battery has a definitely way better cooling system, okay, that allows the airflow inside. I was actually a little worried that the air is not flowing in between the cells, but what I can see is happening over here. Look at this copper plate. Now this copper plate that goes around from both sides, air flows in between, and these copper plates, they're definitely acting as heat exchange. Now the amount of cells, we can clearly see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 individual cells, but these cells are definitely looking bigger. Now the other thing is these cells are connected in series. Yeah, I don't see any parallel connection, in series via a board. I'm not sure if this is probably a passive balancer board. The other thing is that the main terminals, I can see right here, they have like some sort of like a layer protection here. Let me see how much, let me see the amount of energy that this module has now. A second. So we are, yes, we're in 1582. That means that this battery is actually probably fully charged. So I'm gonna be very careful taking it out. Now, the first thing that I need to do first, obviously, is I need to take out these terminals from inside, and probably the cells are supposed to come out. So, well, just join here with me. Please don't forget, if you like my videos, like and subscribe. That's the only way that you can help us. All right, let me take these out very carefully. Hold on. Very delicate job here. Okay, we remove the first one. We remove the second one. Let me see. I think this is gonna go out very easily. Let me see. I'm not sure if this is the proper way. Gonna be very careful because these two terminals are actually almost 16 volts difference in between them. All right, time to come out. Time to come out. Time to come out. There you go. That's it. Okay, now let me put the cells over here. We can explore what are the improvements of this battery. Well, the skin is actually thinner because the version before it had a very thick skin, but this is plastic. Plastic is unfortunately not the best heat exchanger, so it was definitely a better design to put the skins in between, so you have access to probably put some bigger cells, and then access the cooling system has to be inside the battery directly through the cell. So yeah, I would say this is definitely a nice improvement. All right, let's see. NexPower. Okay, now the other thing is, there you go, air flows in between. Pretty good. You can see that I'm not sure I'm going to be able to open up this, but what I want to do for sure is I want to cover the terminals. I'm not taking any chances to have any type of short circuit here in between these two terminals. There you go. Let's see, the one below. I'm just gonna cover it. That's it. This is just for preventive. Okay. Okay. Now these cells are connected, positive, negative. I'm not sure if I'm able to open up the cells. I don't see any connection here in between the cells, but these cells are clearly, oh yes, look, the cells are glue in between. But let's see the rating of this one. Okay, so it's 7 amp hour, 20.65 watt hours each one of the cells. Okay, now, so these cells are now directly from NexPower. So this is it. This is the sodium battery, for the new sodium battery type for Toyota Hybrid. There's absolutely no connection here. These copper plates are simply as for heat exchange purposes. I have to separate one cell from another. Oh, no. These cells are definitely glue in between. Can you see the, I'm not sure if you guys can see the glue in between. So no. Definitely, I'm not gonna take any chances over here. These cells are how they're supposed to be. Let's see the amount of power of each one of the cells. Let me see. All right, yes, 3.164. So as I said, the energy density of a sodium battery is actually 3 volts. Jack, I think you did a great job with this one. The good thing is that you finally took off all the bunch of cables from inside, which is great. I can see that I can also connect, if I want to work with the individual modules over here, I just need to connect it, and we have the access to the balancer as well via this board, which is pretty good. So as you can see, sodium battery for Toyota Hybrid. How long this battery is going to last, time will tell, but this model definitely looking way better than the one before. So thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to learn more, stick around for more tips. I'll see you then. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe.